Check for power at each safety switch in sequence by testing the incoming and outgoing terminals one switch at a time until the open point is found. Start by turning off the main supply and locking out the circuit. Then visually inspect wiring for loose connections, corrosion, or obvious damage before restoring power for testing. Use a properly rated voltmeter set to the appropriate AC or DC range, and verify the meter on a known live source first so you know it reads correctly. With power restored and safety protocols observed, place the meter across the incoming and outgoing terminals of the first safety switch to confirm voltage enters and leaves the device. If the incoming side has voltage and the outgoing side does not, that switch is the open point and should be isolated and replaced or serviced. If voltage is present across both terminals, move on to the next switch in the sequence and repeat the same two-terminal check until you find the interruption. For complex safety chains that include series relays, describe each relay contact by its terminal markings and test across the closed contact points rather than coil terminals, so you measure power continuity through the safety chain. Common mistakes include assuming a switch is good because it looks intact, which you avoid by measuring both input and output voltage at its terminals. Another is testing with the meter set incorrectly, so always confirm the meter range and function on a known live source first. A third is neglecting to consider intermittent faults caused by vibration or temperature, so if switches test correctly but faults recur, tap on the switch gently while monitoring voltage or test under the environmental conditions that cause failure and then replace or secure the device if readings fluctuate. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors for projects related to electrical safety and other home work. Our site also hosts a discussion community where we share troubleshooting tips and contractors can find work and interact with homeowners.